Hey guys, it's Ash here and I am coming with another video, and this video is going to be an updated routine on how to do flexi rods. So as you can see, my hair is curled, so I went ahead and put some really messy loose curls in my hair. So this is what they're looking like right now, and I'm just getting off of work, but I want to go ahead and flexi rod my hair using 6 rods. So I use the purple rods, which are I think 11 by 13. I get these from the beauty supply store. They have really good flexibility and locking flexibility. So I'm going to use 6 of those and we're going to rock out. So the best way to get the best results on flexi rods is to already have a curl or a bump in your hair. This is the hair was straightened, so you want to have kind of like a bump in the hair, and it helps to already have like a curl foundation. But if you don't have a bump, I'm pretty sure it will work as well, but your curls will fall quicker, of course. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So the first thing you want to do is split the hair down the middle and the back. So I'm just going straight down the middle. So it's going to be separated into 2 different sections. So I have this section over here, and then I have this section over here. So if I'm looking over here, my mirror is set up right here. So from here on out, I'll be looking on this side of the room. And then you're just going to separate this part into 3 sections and this part into 3 sections. So what I'm going to do is just grab a good chunk of hair. And remember, you need a good amount, but you also want to make sure that you don't leave too much that needs to be packed into a flexi rod. So I'm going to have this section off here. Put a little bit more hair in there. Alright, so that's going to be our section. I'm just going to use a clip to hold it in place like this. And this is the amount of hair that I'm going to put into one flexi rod, because again, my hair is bumped. So it's not going to take that much work to hold the curl. So in order to get the curls to go backwards, you're going to take your rod and put it behind your hair like this. So you just take that little piece, and what I do is I pull it all the way to the end or very close to the end. If your hair is layered, you want to stop at the shortest layer. So I go like this, and you want to make sure that the hair is flat when you're wrapping it. Otherwise, you will get more so of a wave than a curl. So as you can see here, let me zoom in some. As you can see here, it is flat, and I want to make sure that it is flat on my rod like that. Okay. So then I want to tuck it underneath the hair so that it holds it into place like that. All right. So then from there, we are just going to pull the curl or the rod up like this. And when you flex around your hair, it doesn't have to be like super duper neat, because the curl is already working now. So once I get it close to my head like this, just basically you take this piece and you pull it up, and now it's locked into place. All right. So now you want to do your second section. So these will be into 2 separate or 2 equal sections. Ooh, I'm going to do the same old thing. So what I want to do is I want to make it flat. Make the hair kind of flat like this. Go behind the hair. Pull it to you get to your shortest layer. And I know I'm coming up on it, so I'm just going to make sure this part is flat on my rod, which is the most important part. Same thing when you're doing the curling iron. You want to make sure that part is flat. Otherwise, you get a twist or wave more than a curl. So now that it's flat, I'm just going to move my rod up, kind of gathering the hair into one centralized location as I go. And I just turn it a little bit and lock it into place. Boom. All right. So now you do your last section. And what you can do, if you want more of a bump here, you can separate that and do that in its own separate rod if you want. But it's alright guys, so my hair is done. So in the morning, I will show you the final results of how it looks. And yeah, see you in the morning. This is how we are looking, okay? So I did go in and straighten this top part and gave myself a little bit of feathers right here. This side is on point. This side need a little bit of help, but we're fine. So up here, as you can see, I actually cut my hair, taking out those faux locks. So like cut it legit. So this side is a little rough up here. It gives that puffy look, but the actual curls came out really, really nice. So the idea of the Flexi Rod is, of course, to preserve like curls that a stylist did for you. If your ass don't know how to curl, you could throw some Flexi Rods in to kind of preserve a curl for you. And also just basically to give a really, really soft curl, like at the end of the day, these curls will fall very nicely. They've already fallen. So if you've seen the earlier part of the video, when I first took the Flexi Rods out, they were super tight, and now it's been about 5 hours and they have fallen. So this side, as you can see, I have layers cut into the hair, so that's what's giving this layered look for my curls. Over here, it's the same thing, but my left side always looks, or my right side always looks stupid because my left side is doing the work for it. But I just want to come and show you guys a really quick tutorial on how to use 6 Flexi Rods. So again, if you want more curls up here, you would just put a layer of Flexi Rods up here, which will give you more of a full look here. But I don't mind loose curls. So this is what we're looking like. This hair is bomb, okay? This is the Cambodian Wavy from Rich Tresses. Y'all know that is my top company. I love, love, love Rich Tresses. I love the owner, Chanel. I just love their hair, period. So, if you guys want or have any other questions about the Flexi Rod set or any other questions, just leave it in the comment section below. Just go ahead and click the subscribe button, and I will talk to you guys later.